Two top rental car names, Alamo and Dollar. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Alamo. Smooth pickup, popular with families. And on the right, Dollar. Budget-friendly, reward-rich. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we start, here's our comparison roadmap for today. Price and discounts, locations and accessibility, loyalty and rewards, speed and convenience, and customer satisfaction. Yep, we're hitting all the hot spots, so you know exactly what's what. Okay, let's talk money. Alamo gives you a 5% discount if you join their Insiders membership, and hey, prepaying actually grabs you another 5% off. Nice if you like a little bonus with your booking. But I gotta say, Alamo's usually pricier than the budget crowd. And that cancellation fee? Yeah, up to $100 if you bail on prepaid. Ouch. Shifting gears to Dollar. Now this brand is always dangling those promos. We're talking up to 15% off, 20% off for prepay. It's a sale palooza. Not to mention, AAA and young renters can snag solid discounts. But okay, rates aren't always dirt cheap. Still, out of the two, Dollar actually runs away with this round for your wallet. Next up, where can you actually rent these things? Alamo has more than 246 U.S. locations, a massive international network, and dominates airports, especially down in Florida. Pretty sweet, unless you're chasing mega networks like Enterprise or Hertz. Dollar? They're rocking 228 U.S. locations, heavy in California. Not much international reach, and yeah, just a bit behind Alamo in numbers. So, in terms of accessibility, Alamo's definitely the MVP here. Rewards time! Alamo keeps it pretty chill. Simple sign-ups, skip the counter options, but not a lot of juicy loyalty perks if you ask me. Dollar goes wild with their Dollar Express rewards. 1 point for every dollar, and it only takes 500 points to snag a free rental day. Plus, your spouse rides along for free? That's a win in my book. They do have those blackout dates, though, and the toll cap's a bit high. Still, Dollar totally wins if you're into racking up travel points. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Alamo is famous for stress-free airport pickups? Meanwhile, Dollar's rewards can actually wipe out a chunk of your rental cost if you're a regular traveler. That's a fun fact to keep in mind. How about speed? Getting in and out fast. Alamo is a bit of a legend here. Seriously, super fast check-in, you can skip the counter, use a kiosk, or just go mobile. It's slick. But, just a heads up, it tends to come with higher rates for that convenience. Dollar's Express rewards helps cut the counter time and prepaying moves things along. But honestly, service can be hit or miss. Not quite as smooth as Alamo, let's be real. So yeah, Alamo races ahead in this category. Customer satisfaction. Always the wild card, right? Alamo's actually top 5 in J.D. Power's 2024 rankings, so families swear by them. Not exactly winning gold medals this year, but close. Now, Dollar does pretty well for frequent renters. Thing is, they don't really bag the awards, and reviews are just average. So if you want that warm, fuzzy feeling, Alamo takes this one. So where do we stand? If you look at the whole picture, Alamo shines when it comes to convenience, locations, and keeping folks happy. Dollar really makes a name for itself with wallet-friendly deals and awesome loyalty rewards, especially for the frequent renters out there. If you want something quick, smooth, and family-friendly, Alamo's kind of hard to beat. But you know what? If you're watching your budget or love stacking up rewards, Dollar is a super smart move. Need more rental comparisons? Stick around. There's a ton more matchups coming your way. You're definitely going to want to catch the next